is Alina, and since everything crazy is going on in the world right now, I thought I would start doing some videos about what I do on a regular in terms of art and stuff like that. Today we're going to be building some cabinets or cupboards or storage things that I got from IKEA. Here, let me just show you. So this is all of my art stuff, and it's all just chilling here. It used to be in this bin underneath, but I pulled a bunch of things out because at one point I was really starting to do some art again, and then I didn't want to have to move it, like the printer and stuff, up and down, so I got lazy and then I just stacked them all out here. But I recently just got the IKEA bins in, so we're going to build those today, and then on a separate day we'll probably do my Cricut unboxing. So yeah, let's get started. guys, so there are still a few things that I have to sort out, but this is the gist of it now. That it's all empty. Focus. It's all empty. It's currently living in these two drawers. Let me just close that. So I still have to sort out these books up here. A good chunk of these are just textbooks and a few reading books up here, and then first aid book. And then on top I just have the printer, which I'm actually switching out for that printer over there. And I recently just got a Canon Pro 100 as well, so those are going, this one's gonna be gone soon. And then I have markers up here that don't fit anywhere, and a few odds and ends, a Cricut, a fan. More books that I have to sort outside of my room, a bunch of billfolds. I don't know why I have so many. And then a few other things that will eventually get sorted once I get a new desk as well. And then that's it. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I know it wasn't really exciting, and there wasn't too much footage of me actually building it because my room was so small. It was actually really hard to build the cupboards slash drawers in my room. So it was really difficult to find a place where I could put you guys so you could see everything. But hopefully the next video, the unboxing of the Cricut, will be better. See you guys soon. Bye!